got a 1953 Ford Sunliner with a soft top. Sometimes they got a hard top, but you definitely want a soft top because it folds down there nice. And you got your, you know what, 53 Ford was ahead of Chevy, man. If you looked at a 53 Chevy compared to a 53 Ford, Ford beats their styling by miles. Actually, 50s actually Fords outsold Chevys. I don't know why the hell. You hear 55, 56, 57 Chevy, and I know they're really great, but I don't know why there's not more Fords around. But the 53 Ford is nice. I'm not even a Ford guy, but I like any American iron from this 50s and 60s and 40s. And there's your jet on the hood.
Here's a nice back.
And you notice how the wipers go in like that? And you know, this is only a couple years after they came out with the wraparound windshield with no split window, right? Oh, and you got 3 on a tree. Oh, no, it's automatic. I thought it was 3 on a tree. Look at that stick. Huh. Look at the automatic. It's pointing straight up. That's weird. I never knew they did that. It's got an oyster colored white interior. It's got the original wheel on it, and I like that. You notice all the instrumentation's right there smack in the middle. You notice you got lighter, air, lights, excuse me, air, wipers, accessory on, off, whatever the hell that is. I don't know. All the instruments are kind of like, you got lights on both sides. Lights there and lights there. Blower. Huh. Got more trim down here. Fender skirts. Oh, class 3 trailer hitch. Ooh. That's cool. You could pull some shit with this thing. You see how I think? I'm gonna hook my trailer up to it. I got a utility trailer. You just stick your thing in there. I got a couple of those things you stick in there. The 2-inch square hitch. Maybe that's a custom hitch. Looks like it's welded on here. Like, I mean, you probably couldn't go to a catalog and say I want a class 3 hitch for a 53 Ford Sunliner, right? Like if you did in the scroll down menu, it would probably go down to like 1996. You know, you go past that and you're like, where's 53? You know, when you're trying to look up the part. That's a nice car, man. I love that car. It's clean. Yeah, Ford was definitely ahead of Chevy in 53 by miles, man. Look at the style on this thing. Beautiful. Front and back.